Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy trade on MEXC Global. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your MEXC app, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you install the MEXC app? Now, you can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type MEXC Global and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the application, it takes you right into the sign up page. In there, you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on MEXC. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to copy trade on MEXC. Now from this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top corner of your screen. Now, where you have a couple of icons representing various features. You have M-Day, you have the $1,000, you have Launchpad, Kickstarter, Referral, MX Zone, Daily Reward, and more. Now go ahead and click on more. Once you click on more, it takes you to this window where you have a couple of categories with diverse options under them. You have gift and campaign, you have common function, you have trade, and of course you have earn. Head over to the trade category, and just right under it you have a couple of features: copy trade, demo trading, meme, you have the RWA, and of course down to Bitcoin inscription. Now go ahead and click on copy trade. Once you click on copy trade, it takes you right into this window where you can now select or choose any trader that you want to copy trade with. After selecting your trader, go ahead and copy trade with such a person. Now this is Berserker. Go ahead and check the 7-day ROI, return on investment, and total ROI. Check the total P&L, check your total win rate of that person to be sure that you really want to trade with this person. Now go ahead and click on follow. Let's say I'm choosing this first person. I clicked on follow and it takes me to this window. Now this is confirming. It's confirming for me. So go ahead and click on confirm. Now once you click on confirm, now it takes you to the trade window where you can now trade with this person. Let's copy trade with this person. Now I cannot proceed because I have not completed my KYC verification. And how do you do that? Go ahead and click on verify now and follow you with the step-by-step processes to complete your KYC verification. Once you do that, get back to this process and you'll be able to copy trade with any trader of your choice. So this is pretty much the process. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.